Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic strawberries. Strawberries. It is a wonderful poem, very small poem. Strawberries. So many people they like strawberries. Strawberry. It's a green, red, dark red fruit. You know that. Okay, strawberries. So very small poem, only two stanzas are there. So I'll recite the poem first and then I'll tell you the meaning of it. Strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know. Spring from the woodland vine. No need for ball or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream has the wild berry plucked in June beside the trickling stream. This is the poem. Strawberries that grew in the garden are plump and juicy fine. They are plumpy, juicy also. Okay. So, but sweeter far as wise men know spring from the woodland vine. See, but they are not as sweet as that are grow in woodland. Okay, in garden, people wise men. Okay, people take care of it. Okay, sprinkle water, whatever sufficient nutrients we will provide to that strawberry plant. But they are not as sweet as that they grew naturally in the woodland. That's why the poet is saying strawberries that in gardens grow are plump and juicy fine. It's plump and juicy, but sweeter far as wise men knows, spring from the woodland wild. They are not as sweet as that strawberries that grow in a woodland. No need for bowl or silver spoon for that woodland strawberries. There is no need of bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. No need. It is very juicy because they are growing naturally in the woodland. There is no need of sugar. There is no need of spice or cream or a bowl or silver spoon to eat the strawberry. Has the wild berry plucked in June? Wild berry which we pluck in June beside the trickling stream. Beside the trickling stream. Okay, so the poet wants to convey that the strawberries in this poem, the strawberries that grow in garden is not as much sweet as that strawberry which grow naturally in the woodland, because we are taking care of our strawberry in the garden. Okay, they are not, we are taking care whatever the sufficient nutrients we are providing, whatever the things. Okay, but as strawberry they grow in natural environment, they are so sweet, juicy as compared to the strawberry that grow in the garden. So this is the poem Strawberries. Okay, now learn and recite the poem. First question is there, learn and recite the poem. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter that far as wise men know spring from the woodland vine. No need for bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream has the wild berry plucked in June beside trickling stream. See. Now, which are the two different places where strawberries grow? Mentioned in the poem, which are the two different places where strawberries grow? The two different places where strawberries grow are in the garden and in the woodland. The strawberries grow in the garden. And in the woodland. So these are the two different places where strawberries grow, in the garden and second in the woodland. Now, what are the two different ways of eating strawberry? The first way, just you pluck the strawberry and eat directly. Okay? So this is the first way, to eat it directly. Or to eat it with sugar or spice or cream. This is the second way, to eat the strawberry. So these are the two different ways we can eat the strawberry. First is we can eat it directly, and second we can add sugar, cream or spice to the strawberry and then we will eat it. Okay. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? See, the strawberries which grow in woodland near the trickling stream are sweeter than the ones which grow in the garden. Which strawberries, I already told you. Which strawberries are plump and juicy? The strawberries that grow in woodland near the trickling stream are sweeter than the ones that grow in the garden. Okay. Which strawberries are sweeter? The strawberries that grow in woodland are sweeter. Which strawberries are sweeter? The strawberries that grow in woodland are the sweeter strawberries. How would you like to eat your strawberry? Now this is the personal response question. How would you like to eat strawberry? Means you have to eat it directly or with you have to add the sugar or whatever. So in my opinion, as my opinion is this, your opinion can be different. Okay, so I would like to eat strawberry directly without adding any kind of sugar, without adding sugar, cream, because those are added, these things are added the natural. When we add these things, the natural flavor of the fruit is lost. That's why I don't like to add anything. I just want to eat strawberry as it is directly. So you can write different thing. You like to add sugar, you like to add cream or chocolate or whatever the thing that you like, you add it and then you will eat it. Okay, you can write like this also. Now, find out when and where we get strawberries in Maharashtra. When and where in this season we will get the strawberry. In Maharashtra, Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar, we got the strawberries. Make a list of your favorite fruits and vegetables and note down the time of the year when they are available in plenty. So you have to make one list of your favorite fruit and your favorite vegetable. So for example, my favorite fruit is mango. So it is plenty of, it is available in much quantity in summer. Okay, like this. Then if you like oranges, you can write my favorite fruit is orange. Okay, like this. So favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable is ladyfinger. So this vegetable is available in all seasons, plenty of in all seasons. So you have to write down your favorite fruit and your favorite vegetable and when they are available, in which season they are available. Have you ever eaten any fruit vegetable picking it straight from the tree or field? Yes, I have eaten. I have eaten mango, I have eaten orange directly from the field. Okay. So you have to write down, have you ever written yes or no? Write about that experience in 3 and 5. It was a very mesmerizing experience that I just go and visit field. It was full of oranges. Okay, so I just picked up an orange and directly eat it. It was very juicy and very tasty. Okay, so this is my experience. I'm explaining. So you have to write down this experience in 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. Yes. Now, yes, write down the rhyming words of this poem. Rhyming words of this poem are rhyming words. Grow, grow, no, grow, fine, wine, fine, wine, spoon, June, spoon, June. Okay. Cream, spring, cream, spring. Cream, spring. These are the rhyming words of the poem. Grow, no, fine, wine, spoon, June, cream, spring. Rhyming words of the yes. Now, see, first question's answer. First answer is, and read the question. You have to write down in the question. Which are the two different places where strawberries grow? Which are the two different places where strawberries grow? The two different places. The two different places where strawberries grows. Strawberry grow uh, in the garden and in the woodland. In the garden and the woodland. So these are the two different places where strawberries grow. Which are the two different ways of eating strawberries? Which are the two different ways of eating strawberries? The two different ways of eating strawberries. Eating strawberries are first step to eat it directly. To eat it directly. Second, to eat to add sugar or spice or cream. Sugar or spice or cream. Okay, first way to eat it directly. Okay, this is the first and second question's answer. To add, to eat with. You can write to eat with. Eat with sugar or spice or cream. Okay. Questions. Now, third question answer is which strawberries are plump and juicy? Which strawberries are plump and juicy? Strawberries that grow in garden, the strawberries that grow in garden are the strawberries that grow in garden are plump and juicy. Okay. Juicy. The strawberries that grow in garden are plump and juicy. Next question is which strawberries are sweeter? Which strawberries are sweeter? The strawberries that grow in woodland, that grow in woodland the strawberries that grow in woodland the strawberries that grow in woodland near the trickling stream, near the trickling stream, trickling stream, trickling stream are sweeter than the ones are sweeter than the ones than the ones grow in the garden. In the garden. Woodland strawberries are sweeter than the strawberries that grow in the garden. And question number 5 is personal response question. You have to write the answer. Okay. How would you like to eat your strawberries? Question number 5 is for homework. So write down this. Okay. So your homework is how would you like to eat your strawberries? How would you like? How would you like to eat your strawberries? So this is the homework. Okay. So today we have finished this poem Strawberries. Okay. Write down these question answers in your copy. How would you like to eat your strawberries? Okay. Write down. Do it. Homework. Okay. Bye.